Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Mwenda's Empire. Here we have fun, learn and explore. And before we go on to our today's video guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment to this video. So today I'm going to show you how to fix a 6 kg cylinder to a standing gas cooker. So we have our regulator, and guys, make sure it's a 6 kg regulator because it's different from the 13 kg one. And yeah, make sure it fixes everywhere. So we are making sure we tighten everywhere to make sure that our regulator is tightened enough. Yeah, so we fix into our gas cylinder and we make sure it is tight enough. So you tighten it enough. So next we take our gas pipe and add the clips. And we fix it to the regulator. Yeah, so the clips are used to tighten the gas pipe. So that the gas won't leak. So we fix our gas pipe. And tighten it using the clips so that the gas won't leak. On the other side of the gas pipe we have another clip. Yeah, you do the same. You fix your clip onto the gas pipe, and now at the back of our cooker there is a place for letting in the gas, as you can see. Yeah, you fix your gas pipe there. Yeah, you fix your gas pipe and fix it well. You make sure it's fitted. Then you tighten it using the other clip. You tighten it enough. Remember guys, the clips are used to tighten the gas pipe so that the gas won't leak, so you be on the safe side. So our gas is set. So you place it where you want it to be. And guys, remember when we were fixing the regulator to the gas cylinder, we closed the regulator so that the gas won't come out. So we are opening for gas flow, and now our cooker is ready and we can now cook. And guys, before we end our video, kindly remember to subscribe, share and comment. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, and click on the above video to watch my previous video. Bye.